Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Ned Leeds is probably one of the most anticipated figures in the Marvel Legends line, and for good reason. This figure perfectly captures the essence of Peter Parker's best friend, with a fantastic sculpt and impressive articulation. Whether you're a die-hard Spider-Man fan or simply appreciate a well-made action figure, this one is a must-have for your collection. Get ready to swing into action with this amazing figure. Number 5. Marvel Legends Integrated Suit Spider-Man Action Figure. Check out this amazing 6-inch scale figure. It's inspired by Spider-Man's integrated suit from the movie. This figure is a must-have for any Marvel fan. This figure features a premium design with incredible detail. The articulation allows for dynamic posing, perfect for display. It looks just like the character from the film. With multiple points of articulation, you can pose this figure in countless ways. It's a great addition to any action figure collection. Get ready to recreate your favorite scenes. Expand your Marvel collection with other Legends series figures. You can find characters like Captain America and Black Panther. Each sold separately, subject to availability. This Spider-Man figure comes with 2 accessories. They add to the play and display possibilities. It's a great gift for kids and collectors alike. What we like. This figure boasts a sleek, integrated suit design, perfect for fans of the latest Spider-Man movie. The premium articulation allows for dynamic posing, bringing the character to life. If you're looking for a Spider-Man figure that captures the essence of the film, this is the one for you. What people say. The articulation is amazing as well. The suit itself on the figure is sculpted very elegantly, and you can get a real sense of the texture on it. The paint job is also really well done, with a lot of work clearly put into making the figure. A big upside as well is that the figure has very tight joints. Nice sculpt. Good articulation. Good paint applications. Number 4. Marvel Legends Captain America and Peggy Carter 2-pack. Celebrate the Marvel Cinematic Universe with this action figure 2-pack. It features Captain America and Peggy Carter, inspired by the movie Captain America, the First Avenger. The figures are designed with premium details, reflecting their appearance in the film. This makes them a perfect gift for any Marvel fan. These highly articulated figures offer intricate detailing. This allows for dynamic posing, making them great for both play and display. Both figures come with alternate hands and accessories. This allows fans to recreate iconic scenes from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Expand your collection with more figures from the Marvel Legends series. There are many more characters from the comics and movies to discover. Each sold separately. What we like. This set brings together Captain America and Peggy Carter, straight from the first Avenger film. With premium detailing and multiple accessories, it's perfect for recreating iconic scenes. If you are a fan of classic Marvel movies and enjoy having multiple characters in one set, you should consider this. What people say. This Captain America figure sports the best Chris Evans likeness that Hasbro has managed yet, though he seems a little long in the neck to me. The figure is heavily accessorized with weapons, shields, removable web gear, and his helmet. The Peggy Carter figure in this set looks great, and the likeness to Haley Atwell is excellent. The detail is phenomenal, from the boots, trousers, holsters, jacket, webbing to his accessories. Number 3. Marvel Legends Captain America 2-pack 6-inch figures. Introducing the Marvel Legends Captain America 2-pack. This set includes 2 6-inch scale figures inspired by the Marvel Cinematic Universe. They are perfect for fans and collectors. These Captain America figures feature premium, movie-accurate designs. The figures have great detail and articulation, making them perfect for posing and display in your collection. This 2-pack includes Steve Rogers from Avengers, Endgame and Sam Wilson from The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Each figure represents a different era of Captain America. Each figure comes with multiple accessories inspired by the MCU. These include shields, alternate heads, and fists, allowing you to customize the display. Collect other Marvel Legends action figures inspired by the MCU. Expand your collection with figures like Winter Soldier, Vision, and Scarlet Witch. Each sold separately. What we like. This two-pack features both Steve Rogers and Sam Wilson as Captain America, inspired by the MCU. The figures have premium designs and come with multiple accessories, including shields and alternate heads. If you like the idea of having two iconic Captain Americas in your collection, this is a great choice. What people say. The figure has a great likeness to the actor. The accessories are a nice addition. The articulation is good. Number 2. Marvel Black Panther Legends Series Black Panther. This 6-inch figure is inspired by the Black Panther movie. It's part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, including Avengers, Infinity War. The figure features premium articulation and detailing. It's designed to look just like the character from the movie. This Black Panther figure comes with character-inspired accessories. These accessories enhance the play experience and allow for dynamic posing. The package includes the figure, 3 accessories, and a Build-A-Figure part. This allows you to collect other figures to build a larger figure. This product is suitable for ages 4 and up. It's a great toy for kids and collectors alike. What we like. This Black Panther figure is inspired by the Black Panther movie. It features premium articulation and character-inspired accessories. If you like the Black Panther movie and want a detailed figure, this is a great addition to your collection. What people say. Good figure with nice articulation and sculpture. The articulation is fantastic, it comes with great accessories. The Black Panther action figure has lots of joint movement, making him ideal for various action poses. Number 1. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man at the Sanctum Workshop 76185. Welcome to the Sanctum Workshop. This set lets you explore the magical basement of Doctor Strange. It's packed with activities and ready for adventure. The set includes 4 minifigures, Spider-Man, MJ, Wong, and Doctor Strange. Each character is ready to join the battle against evil. There are tons of accessories to inspire imaginative play. You'll find cool tools, bicycles, a game controller, and even a mystical glowing stone. These items add to the fun. A buildable, giant bug monster with gripping claws expands the play possibilities. It adds an extra layer of excitement to the set. This set is an ideal gift for Marvel movie fans aged 7 and up. It will be admired by all who see it. This is a great gift for any occasion. The workshop measures over 3 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It combines easily with other LEGO Marvel sets. The free LEGO Building Instructions app enhances the building experience. What we like. This LEGO set lets you build Doctor Strange's Sanctum Workshop, complete with Spider-Man, MJ, Wong, and Doctor Strange minifigures. It includes an amazing assortment of accessories to inspire imaginative role play. If you like LEGO sets and Marvel movies, this is a fun choice for you. What people say. I got this set purely for all the awesome stuff it comes with, such as the microfigs, printed pieces, bicycle, sand timer, bottle, etc., and, to my surprise, it came with way more than the box lets you see. This is a great set, has so many cool pieces and the minifigs are great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.